What is up, guys? And today we're going to be taking a look at the technicals for Bitcoin. And I've been analyzing for the past few weeks, and some analysis work out. Well, for now, almost all worked out, but we're going to take a look at the markets and see what the current situation is. If we can find any trades or not. We're going to take a look at our coin. We're going to talk about GRT, which we talked about yesterday. It's an altcoin which I think can go really high, and so let's take a look at it and see if we can make a trade, short position, long position. I don't future trade. I can just analyze the charts, and you can take the trade if you want to. We're going to manage risk. That's the number one priority. So let's see what the technicals say. So here's the chart for Bitcoin, and the price has been falling a bit, just like we said yesterday. The price of Bitcoin, we couldn't short it here yesterday because I was certain. I thought the price might actually make a move like this, so there was a possibility. But now that we got a retest into this supply zone and we dropped, I think it's the perfect opportunity to go short. And I think my price targets for this scenario would be, if we take a short here at this point, and sorry, let me do that again. Short position, this. Okay, so I think the target would be here, or maybe below this, 25,400. That's 5.5%, and our stop loss should be here. Yeah, just here. So risking 1.32% at 27,223, and we're going to take profits below this support level, because now that we got the top liquidity, if we broke here, we got the top liquidity. Let me show you guys. We broke here, we got the top liquidity, we failed, we got a retest, and now I think we're just going down. And if we're going down, in my opinion, we're gonna break this support area now, because the stop liquidity is built up here, so the price can move back here to 25,400 that many people have been talking about for a long time. I think this is finally it. If you get our stop loss just here, it's gonna be in the safe spot, and take a short position right now. And this is the opportunity. Like, you gotta wait for the opportunity. You can only trade when you have information. So at this point I have information. We faked out above and we came back down, we got a retest, and now it's a perfect short opportunity. Our first take profit would be here, obviously, at 3% profit, and we're gonna ride this trade to like 5.5%. so this is the trade on Bitcoin, and the price action is currently bearish because we faked out here. We didn't respect any support. We came back down. So this looks like a short opportunity for me. It's 1.32% risk, 5.5% profit. But if we position size, we can reduce the risk to only 1%. So you should risk 1% on this trade. So if the stop loss hit, you won't feel much. And yeah, this is currently the price action of Bitcoin. Overall, we're playing into this megaphone. We're sitting on support, but I think we have some liquidity here to take it out. There's some buying power here. We need that, and once we get that, we can just touch the top of megaphone at 32,000. So we're also playing this oops, I don't have it now, sorry, I don't have it now. But it's the top range, mid range, and bottom range. We're also playing in that. We got a rejection, but I don't have it now. I have in my last video. Well, that's not very important at this point, but for now, in 4 hour price action, if you look at the short term, we can see further downfall. Stop loss below this high, and it's going to be protected. And yeah, this is for Bitcoin. Apart from that, we're going to take a look at GRT. It went up huge today. Like, let me calculate it. It went from the normal price of 1332 up 15% almost to 1528. So that was a massive move. I don't know if it was a liquidity sweep or what that was, but yeah, this felt like a liquidity sweep. People had stop losses just above this, and they're taken out. And now I think it's still in a good position. Like, this coin is very strong in my opinion. In the upcoming few days or weeks, this can go really high. But if you have a position open, you can if you have a spot position open on this coin, you should have a stop loss here. Let me calculate it. Currently 1281. If you have a stop loss here, that's 3% loss. That's too much. I think you can exit this coin at this point. You can exit it if you want to, because we broke this support level. Let me mark it. This support right here, we broke it. Okay, so it's not a good sign. We just took the top liquidity, we broke this support. In my opinion, it's gonna it's gonna fall a bit further, maybe gets a retest here and then dump further. So I think if you're in profits, if you bought earlier, or if you're in break even or slight losing, I think you can just sell it, because the market seems bad. BTC seems bearish, and overall the GRT doesn't look very good to me. So I think you can exit it if you want to. So there's nothing much for GRT, just sideways action. And these are the ranges that I've marked. Let me show you on daily time frame. These are the ranges: the range high, mid range, and a range low. But also, if you look at the range low and mid range, there's also a mid range between that. Let me show you. Hold on. That's the top range, that's the middle range, and that's the bottom range. Okay, in short-term time frames. So currently we've been playing here, reject here, retest here, reject, and now again we went to this mid range. And if you look closely, we are closing daily below this. Yesterday we couldn't break above it, we got rejected, and even today we just had a huge wick to the top side and then fall back again. So we don't have a daily close above this mid range. I think it's just going to be a new perfect rejection for the price of GRT. And currently for short, in midterm and long term, this coin can be really bullish. It's a really strong project. In my opinion, this can go to $1 at least. So for now, I think in short term it can come here. You can buy back again here. If it goes a little bit below to 8 cents or something here, you can buy it again. But for now, I think you can just exit it. If the BTC is acting bearish, altcoin can't hold itself. Apart from that, Ethereum is not having that bad of a time, and all the other altcoins are not that bad actually. Down 1%, up 1%, up 1%, 0.8%, down 3%, 1%, 2%. That's not that bad. But for GRT and Bitcoin, that's my analysis, and I think both of them look bearish to me. If you're in GRT, you can close it. If you're in Bitcoin, you can take this trade that I just showed you guys. So looks bearish on BTC, but we'll see what happens. So this is my analysis on Bitcoin and GRT, and let's see what the price does. We can't tell much about it, but that's just technicals that we're following. So yesterday we didn't take any trades apart from GRT. If you took the GRT trade, if you booked some profit, it would have benefited you. But I'm actually a swing trader on GRT, so I don't really care for the 15-cent move. Like, I'm gonna sell it at 33 cents at least. So yeah. We didn't take any trades yesterday because we had to wait for the perfect opportunity, which we did. Congratulations for that. And today we saw an opportunity, a dump into a retest, into another retest, leaving a wick, and now we have our stop loss above the wick, so a short position is safe. And we're going to target the bottom order block and also the bottom liquidity. So that's what I think for Bitcoin and GRT. Thank you for watching. I'm going to meet you in the next video. Thank you.